All right, kids, Mr. Green's here. We're going to show you a harder, harder math problem of finding fractions on a number line. So this is our number line. And just so you know, Mr. Green and I were practicing before the video started so he would know how to do it.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to get it wrong.
So go ahead and explain to us how you would figure out what fraction's at that decimal. Or at that point.
So the first step would be to count the amount of whole numbers that you have. So
Ooh, good job.
that you know that you have your past 1, so it's going to be 1 and whatever the fraction is. Then the next step will be counting each tab to figure out how many pieces the next number is broken into. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces. And then the dot that Mrs. Green put is here, so then you count of the 7 spaces, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of 7, so it's 4 sevenths. So you got 1 and 4 sevenths.
Oh, you write it down.
My handwriting is horrible.
It's okay. Just so they understand.
That's a 4. 1 and 4 sevenths.
So here, he said it's past the 1. That's a whole piece. So there's your whole. And then again, the parts were separated into 7. That's the denominator. And our numerator tells us where it's at, or how many would be like shaded if we were doing boxes. And that was at 4. All right. We'll do more tomorrow. We'll make it a little bit more challenging for Mr. Green. Say goodbye, Mr. Green.
Bring it on. Ready for tomorrow.
This is his setup right now at home, because we're both working from home. All right, comment on if you got that answer, if you need a harder problem, easier problem, how you're feeling. All right, bye, Mr. Green.
Bye.